Hi guys, so I wasn't gonna make this video at first, but I started doing something, so I decided that I would just, you know, start making the actual video for it, I guess. I'm doing a squishy repaint, and basically what I've done so far is I got these two little things of puffy paint in black and white, if it can focus, in black and white, and I just like mixed it up into a light gray color, and I have this, really cheap like ice cream squishy here, and I just started off by painting the kind of tone with a gray color that I mixed up, and I just put on one layer, and I just used like a regular paintbrush, you know, this just regular art brush, and I'm just letting it dry for now. Okay, so I did this part off camera, but basically what I did to get to this point is I just went back over the gray 2 more times, and I used a paintbrush like I did last time and just did thin coats, and then I went back over with some of this black tulip puffy paint, and I just used it straight from the bottle and just put black all over the top of the ice cream. And basically what I'm planning on doing for this squishy is going to be, if you can't tell by maybe the thumbnail or the title, is I'm going to be doing a Venom ice cream cone. I don't know, I've just been really into Venom lately, so I wanted to do something based off of him. And so now I'm just going to start with the face and everything, because I only did one like thick coat of black on the ice cream part, but I feel like it looks good enough, so I'm just going to start with the face. And I just have like some Google reference pictures up. I'm not using any one in particular, I'm just kind of going off of like a cute kind of Venom themed look, so that's what I'll be doing.